Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you had a great Christmas. We can look back on a pretty momentous year. We've delivered record funding for the NHS and social care. Schools in England are surging up the global league tables. We're getting the economy growing. We've cut inflation in half. We've delivered the biggest business tax cut in modern British history. And in just the last few weeks, we've seen an incredible £60 billion of investment into the UK. So my New Year's resolution is to keep driving forward. In 6 days' time, we'll deliver a tax cut for 27 million people worth on average £450. Inflation is set to fall further, cutting the cost of living for everyone. And we're not stopping there. We're going further to grow our economy by reducing debt, cutting taxes and rewarding hard work, building secure supplies of energy here at home, backing British business, and delivering world-class education. And we're taking decisive action to stop the boats and break the business model of the criminal gangs. From our incredible armed forces and NHS staff who take care of all of us, to our tech experts, scientists and innovators who are putting our economy at the global cutting edge, we should look forward full of pride and optimism for what we can do together to build a brighter future for everyone. That's what I'm determined to do, and I wish you all a very happy 2024.